The road beyond the valley. In a quiet valley surrounded by high mountains and endless green fields, there lived a young man who had always dreamed of seeing the world beyond the hills. Life in the valley was peaceful, simple, and predictable. Every morning, the sun rose slowly over the mountains, painting the sky with colors of gold and red. Birds flew across the clean blue sky, and farmers worked in their fields with patience and hope. The young man grew up in a small stone house near a river that flowed gently through the valley. From childhood, he loved sitting by the river, watching the water move forward without stopping, as if it were always going somewhere important. He often wondered what existed beyond the mountains that stood like silent guards around his home. As the years passed, the feeling inside his heart became stronger. The valley felt smaller, and the mountains felt closer. He realized that staying in the same place forever would slowly turn his dreams into regrets. One day, under a sky full of soft white clouds, he made a decision to leave the valley and discover the world on the other side. The journey began early one cold morning. The air was fresh, and the ground was wet with morning dew. He walked through narrow paths, across green fields, and into dark forests where sunlight struggled to touch the ground. The deeper he went, the louder the silence became. Trees stood tall and strong, and the sound of leaves moving in the wind followed him like a quiet song. After days of walking, he reached the mountains. The climb was difficult and demanding. Rocks were sharp, and the paths were unstable. Sometimes clouds covered his way, and cold winds pushed against him. His body grew tired, but his heart remained strong. Every step upward felt like a step away from fear and closer to freedom. When he finally reached the top, a breathtaking view welcomed him. Beyond the mountains lay a wide land filled with rivers, forests, and distant cities glowing under the sunlight. He felt small, yet powerful. The world was much larger than he had imagined and full of possibilities. His journey continued across grassy plains and busy towns. He met new cultures, tasted new foods, and heard different languages. Every place taught him something new. He learned that kindness had no language and that dreams looked the same in every corner of the world. Time passed, and the young man changed. His body became stronger, but his mind became wiser. He collected stories instead of things, and memories instead of gold. The road became his teacher, and every sunrise gave him a new lesson. One day, after many years of travel, a familiar feeling touched his heart. He missed the quiet river, the simple fields, and the gentle mornings of the valley. He realized that the world did not only exist to be seen, but also to help one understand where one truly belongs. So, he returned home. The valley welcomed him with the same mountains and the same river, but he was no longer the same person. He carried the world inside him now. His dreams were no longer about escape, but about growth. He understood that leaving had taught him the value of staying, and that the greatest journey was not the one across the world, but the one deep inside the heart. And so, the young man lived again in his quiet valley, but with eyes that had seen the world and a heart that had learned its lesson.